Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing how to migrate existing Python virtual environment to Pipenv. Pipenv is a Python virtual env management tool that supports a multitude of systems and nicely bridges the gaps between pip, Python, and virtual env. It works on Linux, macOS, and Windows. I'll add the links and commands in the description. Did you usually run into issues when you are on board on your new project and run into issues due to mismatched Python version? Pipenv automatically creates and manages a virtual env for your projects, as well as adds or removes packages from your pip file as you install or uninstall packages. It also generates a project Pipfile.lock, which is used to produce deterministic builds. With pipenv you can check pipfile for required Python version, and pipfile.file contains the hashes and detail dependencies with respect to Python version and installation source. I will show you how to check existing installed packages require any updates or whether it has security vulnerabilities or not. Without further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial I will show two methods. First one is by reusing existing virtual environment and then generating pip file and its lock file. The second method will be how to generate fresh environment saved to custom location with the use of .venv directory. By using system-wide install of pipenv, I will run pipenv install and it is saying it detected existing virtual environment and will not create a new one. Next run pipenv verify followed by pipenv.lock command to generate the hashes and sources which are appended to pipenv.lock. You will see a new SHA-2 hash or commit log. That's it. You just need to commit the changes and push the changes. It is easy, right? Similarly, we create a directory in root of the project called .venv. Just run pipenv install our requirements.txt to generate pip and lock files. You can ignore the errors for now, which we'll fixing it by running pipenv.lock command, and if there's any missed package it will be added and the pip and lock files will be updated. I will compare both requirements file and pip file side by side to see if any packages are missing. It seems all the required packages are present. We can go ahead and commit the changes and push it to remote branch. With this we have reached end of the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.